Foreign students from Xi'an Jiaotong University visited the exhibition hall of Shanxi Railway on Friday to learn about the development of China's railways. During the visit, they experienced the simulated drive of high-speed trains and cargo handling, and took a close look at the construction of Chinese railways and the training of modern railway enterprises.
Today we came for a small trip to see how the train works, and we learned a lot. It was something new for us, so yeah, we enjoy it.
感觉到中国的这个高铁的这个他们的科学 science and technology 特别高。我除了其他的国家，我发现了中国的高铁的他们的交通 transportation， 然后呢communication 特别厉害。所以然后中国的高铁特别安全，特别舒服，特别快。
The visit was part of a project organized by the university to let foreign students have a better understanding of China and become the envoy of cultural exchanges.